You. So today what we're gonna do, oh hold up. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Q to a little meet that's it's happening down the street. So we're gonna pull this motherfucker out, spray it off real quick, and then go hit the meet. Alright, let's get this motherfucker washed. I'm gonna put this shit in time lapse, so let's do it.
Yeah. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Looked at that time, it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushed. Louis V, but my t-shirt is tucked. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly wrist on, sipping a test. Go get it, I must. Fuck up good enough, pussy, no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Got this shit out there gun in the mud.
Alright. Now let me put this pressure washer and shit up. And then we're gonna pull it down the driveway. Well, I guess we're gonna find out if we could pull this thing out of the driveway without ripping the bumper off. So let's go on ahead and find out. I forgot to record me fixing the bumper, so yeah. See, now we're good. We're a little early for the meet, so about like an hour or something. I'm gonna wrap some things up here, and then we'll do a walk around of the queue, and I'll tell you things that I've done that are updated and everything like that. So just give me a second. Alright, I guess since we got it running, sorry, I'm messing with my phone mount. Hopefully y'all don't fall whenever I'm driving, but since we got it out, might as well take it around the block. Just to make sure everything's good. Oh yeah, I lost all of my power steering. I have no power steering. I took everything out. So now it's straightforward, you know, no power steering, man steering. So now we gotta deal with that. And then I fixed that other noise. That other noise is gone. What you hear right now is just the transmission. But other than that, she's meant to go wherever the fuck. I just need the paperwork to come back so I can register this bitch. And get used to no power steering. We'll take it to a little picture spot real quick.
Don't cross the front line, don't cost you your sunshine. And I got the deadline looking like a lunch line. And today is payday, so you know it's crunch time. Got my AR with me, then my little sunshine. Pour the codeine up, and don't think it's drunk time. You gon' catch.
Alright, now we're gonna go ahead to the meet. Alright, we heading to the meet. Let's go here. driving good, bro. This shit's smooth as fuck. It's about probably the longest that I've driven this car anyway. But shit, she's smooth as fuck, bro. On the way to this meet. All right, we at the meet here. Got gang behind us, so we're gonna chill out for a little bit. Calm little meet here. At that, got the 5-0s down there. You can't even see them. I'm sorry. Got a little lineup going on. I parked in the light so you could actually see my car. Here. Here. Got more people out here. Here. W trip to the meet, bruh. W trip. We're on our way back. But we'll split it off on this one, bruh. I'll see y'all in the next video. Alright, peace.